Hey, welcome back to my channel. First, do me a favor and subscribe. Thank you. Let's get to 1000 subscribers. So I know I've made 2 other videos with these headphones, and even though they are not my best, they are some of my most watched. So why not do another long-term review? I really like making this type of videos, gathering my opinions over a period of time, then do a voiceover. Of course, this type of video is also really easy to make. So I'm going to get right into it with my classic review. I'm going to talk about the things I don't like first. And I want to make this very clear. These don't really have bass, you idiots. There's no membrane speaker here. There's a vibration motor, like the one you have in your phone or gaming controller, which is programmed to vibrate when there's bass in a song. So the first thing I hate is the idiots that keep saying these have bass. Well, I don't really hate them, it's just cringy as fuck. I do hate the retail price these have, which is still too high. It's 130, 150 euros in Europe, 190 euros on their website. It's fucking ridiculous. Except for this pouch, there's no accessories in the box. There should have been a hard case for that price, which they do now with the Crusher ANC2, but those are even more expensive. And why not put some extra ear cups in the box, so I don't have to get these from AliExpress. In my opinion, these are very heavy. I cannot wear them more than 1 hour, 1.5 hours or so. These are not good for wearing in the summer. My head and ears got baked and boiled. This pouch is kind of meh. I'm also pretty sure these are not good for running. With no vibration, the sound quality is unacceptable for the price. They should have put way better components in these. There's a bit of a sound bleed, but it can only be heard in a quiet room. The voice prompts are pure trash. You cannot even hear the prompt when the battery is dying when listening to music. The sound just cuts for a second. There's literally no difference with the vibration slider halfway or all the way up. Well, maybe just a tiny bit of a difference. And the actual vibration starts at about 25% of the slider going up, and then there's a slight increase around 70% or so. With the 3.5 jack cable connected, the vibration is unbearable. The app is useless. The only important things you can do are to find these, and honestly I don't know how you can lose them in a room, and you can set the audio level with that test similar to the one you take for the driver's license. And finally, some observations. There's still too many people wearing these in my city. I guess everybody's rich. And I heard they also make fakes. And now let's get into the things I like about these. The first one, of course, being the price. I've said it in my other 2 videos, but I've only paid 30 euros. I got them on a sale on which I've added an extra coupon. Honestly, these are still fucking sick. That vibration is addictive. The battery life is great. Except for the classic ear cup issue, these just have normal wear and scuffs. The materials are very nice. There's squishy foam right here. There's soft plastics right here. And the build quality is also great. There's no loose parts, there's no squeaking, everything just works smoothly. And the sound is okay in calls on both hands. I did test these in a lot of calls, but sometimes there's a bit of an echo. And finally, I did wear these in the rain and there is no damage. Okay, so I think that's kind of it. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you have these, and thank you for watching.